Alright, we are going to review a portfolio site now. The site does belongs to Ashwin. Let me open my Discord. Review links. This is the site. He's a MERN stack developer. I hope your site works fine in Firefox, dude. Or instead, I don't want to ruin your website, so let me open it in my Chrome. Kinda looks the same, so that's fine. It looks mostly similar, but I still would like to continue with Chrome. Okay. What is your experience? You look more like a student for me. Achievements, coding skills. You have done good amount of LeetCode problems. Interesting. Certificates, Azure Fundamentals, DSA using JavaScript. So how do you want me to review this? You want me to review this as a front-end developer wise, or you back-end MERN developer and resume mainly? Okay. I would go to your resume. Obviously the text is going out. It's the image, I understand. Something is going off. So if you see this part of, okay, this site looks nice. It looks simple. The colors looks nice. Everything is fine. Again, the moment I come here, it gives me Naptol vibes. Not trying to disrespect. I'm just trying to be honest. Big YouTuber or a big person. Hardly at max 30 to 40 people other than your friends would visit your portfolio. So don't have much. Something is not matching. I would want this one to be on the top. Certifications should be far, and certificates you have some decent amounts, so it would be better to place it somewhere. Work on your creativity. I wouldn't have this image. I would maybe create you. Obviously I cannot go 8 of these. Tic-tac-toe, socket.io. So still evolving new features, key features, tech stack. You're using GitHub Actions instead of AWS pipeline? Just curious. Site looks clean. Don't like Naptol vibes like the one which you have in this one. This section. Not doing justice for your site. Subtle animations, I like it. So do you want me to log in or something to this? You can try logging it in, I don't mind. Looks like you have added the Google API. This is how the site looks for anyone who is wondering after you log in. Good. No folders yet, create a folder. Okay. Something. And then what? Add some. Enter some name. I am not really that good at maths. The parabola something. And then description, link. Okay. It's basically, understand, you're tracking them. Cool idea. UI looks cool. The border is way too bright. It is giving a more border empathizes instead of the components inside it. If you make it a little bit less bright, I think that would be much better. Which one has a border? This one is on. Why is that blinking? Does it blink as if it's hovered or something? Can I change the less light? Need to save it before you exit. It's fine. I'm not really trying to fix it. Now it looks like my eyes are going over the table or the something folder or this parabola instead of that border, which is giving me a much more strong bricks. I'm not really a big fan of it. I don't think any website would really do it. So this border is giving you an empathizer of, okay, this is where the section ends. I understand you're trying to add like a cards layout. But if you really feel the card layout, the feel comes from the color which is inside the card. So you have the same color in the background, the card in here. And if you want to separate these cards, obviously you're trying to add a border. That's not the right way to do it. So for the backend, to save and check out the settings sections though. Okay, save. Now I understand. You see, this looks fine because you added there is no border on it. So the color and the subtle difference in the background color, that makes as if this section is different and this section is different. But the moment you make it to dark, it looks like you're forcing, instead of having a natural separation, it's like you're forcing the border. For the backend, to save and check out the settings section too. Where is the settings section? I'm not really exploring that much, but I don't see a settings section here. Dashboard. There I see create, delete.
Good day to you.
It does have public sharing facility as well, so you can just share all this. Interesting site, dude. Interesting site. If I share it again, does it give me a new link or does it provide me the same one? Yeah, it gives me the same one. So revise, snippet, ding ding ding. Oh, you have this markdown editor. Is it using that Miano or something? Code mirror. I think there's a package for it. Hover over the username. Okay. Oh, now I see the settings. Okay, sorry. Okay, looks good. Preload data looks good. It's snappy too. I like the loading animation though. I like the toast. I wish they would be up here because you're trying to show something. So it's just my feelings. That's it. Versions. What was that? User subscription details. It's way too down. Overall a good site, dude. Good work. I like it. Let's go to another site. Pathfinder website, a GPA calculator, bookshare, a book review platform, office dashboard management, tic-tac-toe, some tracker, flames game. Dude, flames game. How horny you have to be, or how love guru you have to be to create this project. Stone, paper, scissors. HTML. Achievement, code in the dark, SSN, brain, biology, no more. The name of it looks interesting though. I believe this is you. Hey, first place, congratulations. Prize money 10,000. So you are capable. I really wish, obviously this looks like 2025. How long does it take for one? June, July, August, September? June, April, February, Jan, February. Does it take like what? September, October? Good work, man. My portfolio website sucked. It doesn't really look that good. The last time I updated it was in 2019. Resume. I'm not really a pro at resume. Resumes are... You're not even graduated yet. Okay. You're not even graduated yet. So you have ample amount of time. So maybe I can give you some insights. So for your age and, for the student experience, your projects are fine. They're good. You know much front end now. So stop doing enough of these front end projects. I'm not saying these are bad or something. You have done enough. Now go over something a bit more complex. Go into a bit of AI-ish. I'm not trying to say that you need to learn AI or machine learning or try to build your own LLM, but maybe try doing some MCP stuff. These are fine. Good thing you have TypeScript and basically you have a good amount of full stack experience, and you also have some LeetCode experience. That's enough. I don't know how true these values are, but I only solved like 20 to 30 problems. You at least solved like what, easily 200 something, 400, 500. So that's fine. Yeah, I don't really care about which language you're doing, like Java. I know you're saying about Java stack. It's fine. Try to build something with AI. Anything. Doesn't matter, anything. And after you do that, I think you would be in your third or fourth year and start hunting as if you are a predator for jobs. That's it. If that's what your goal is. If you're trying to build a company, obviously you would be in a different approach. But make sure you do something with this section, man. The right side. It's not fixing. It's not aligning with your main website. So I think you're not really showing anything in the background. So obviously that doesn't make any sense. So maybe just have it a bit more smaller so that you don't have to scroll this far. For a graduate student, you haven't really done much as like a professional. You shouldn't be having like 2, 3, 4, 5 scroll pages of a portfolio site. Again, my opinion. It doesn't matter what I say. If you feel like it, it's fine. Migration of risk into 15 critical bugs. And yeah, you understand. You might be watching a ton of videos now, so you have this what do you call it, numeric percentages, 2 enterprise clients. Your resume is what it looks like, what TikTok or Instagram and people are trying to say. It looks like you have like an AI project though, using ChatGPT AI. Your portfolio looks fine. There are no real complaints about it. You have covered LeetCode, you have covered project. What are you looking for? Start hunting. You got enough skills, start hunting. Now you need to improve your grooming skills and selling and product, what do you call, salesman technologies or something like those, where you showcase your skills. You try to learn how to be confident and be a good actor in your interviews. That's much more important. And you have to sell your skills. That's it. Cool. I hope you like my honest review. What is the time? It's almost 12, man. I gotta go to work tomorrow, so join sometime later.